Priya, are you still online? I just got an alert from the system about the bug we've been tracking. Looks like it popped up again.
Yeah, I'm still here, João. It's late, but I knew we might need to keep an eye on it. Any idea what triggered it this time?
Not entirely sure yet, but the error logs are pointing to the data synchronization module again. I think the root cause might be related to how the time zones are being handled across different regions.
That's what I was thinking too. It seems like the timestamps from users in different countries are conflicting. We're not accounting for daylight savings in some areas. India doesn't have DST, but a lot of countries do.
Exactly. I'll take a look at how the timestamps are being processed and see if we need to adjust the logic. Have you dealt with something similar on your side?
Yes, actually. In one of my previous projects, we had issues with time zone conversion for an e-commerce platform. The solution was to standardize everything in UTC on the server side, and then convert locally based on the user's location.
That's a good idea. Standardizing to UTC might solve most of these inconsistencies. But what about the data from our European users? It seems like their orders are being logged a few hours off.
Could be because they just switched to daylight savings. We'll need to adjust our logic to account for that automatically. The system should detect when a region shifts to or from DST.
Agreed. I'll make the changes to the timestamp handling and push a patch. Can you test it from your end once it's live?
Of course. I'll run the tests for different time zones, including India and Europe, to make sure the bug is fixed. It might take some time because of our time zone differences, but I'll get it done first thing tomorrow morning.
Sounds good. It's crazy how time zones always seem to complicate things when working with international teams, huh?
Yeah, it's definitely one of the trickier aspects of global collaboration. We just have to be extra careful when designing systems that will be used worldwide.
Totally. By the way, how's the rest of the team doing in India? I know the time difference makes syncing up tough sometimes.
It can be, but we try to be flexible. We rotate our meeting schedules to accommodate everyone, so no one always has to work late or wake up early. It's a compromise.
That's a good approach. It's a little easier here since the time difference with Europe is smaller, but I still have to work late sometimes.
Yeah, we all have those days. I guess that's just part of working on an international team, but it's also great because you learn so much from other cultures.
Exactly. It's not just about coding. It's about learning to communicate across different languages and time zones. Speaking of which, your English is amazing, Priya. How did you get so good?
Thanks, João. I've been speaking English since I was a kid, but working with teams from different countries has helped me improve a lot. You pick up new phrases and ways of communicating when you work with people from all over the world.
That's cool. I've been practicing a lot too, but it's still a challenge sometimes, especially with technical terms.
You're doing great, João. We're all still learning. Anyway, I'll let you know as soon as I've tested the patch. Should be done by morning on my side.
Thanks, Priya. I'll finish up here and check in tomorrow. Good night, or should I say good morning?
Good night for you and almost good morning for me. Talk to you soon.